lang namin yung kotse, tas alis na kami. Let's eat, love. Somewhere nice. Let's go where we're going. And then let's eat, no?
Mm-hmm. Let's go drive there. We're going to drive there in this parking area. We'll see it where we go because it's on the way. It's on the way. Either way, it's only one-way road. It's in this is on the way. We have to. This is in Kaprun city, and we have to pass it no matter what.
Okay, let's go. So, time check ngayon ay 4 p.m. No, it's 3 p.m. na. At maraming hiking place dito sa Austria, katulad sa Switzerland. Maraming routes. So, kailangan mo lang pumili. So pretty and nice. What's that? So
Look.
oh my. Guys, kakain kami dito. Nakikita niyo ba yung view na
So many
to?
cars going down.
It's real. It's real. Oh my. Tingnan niyo naman kung gaano kaganda. Breathtaking. Holy. Okay, let's take a video for a while, okay? Tingnan natin ang here. Live again. Now, U-turn.
No, don't know. I want to be you want hungry, say you're hungry. I'm stopping because of you.
Ay, wow, so pretty la. Who are you?
You don't want to eat here? Let's go up more.
It's very hot. Can we eat in the shade?
Okay, let's go up more.
We will find some shade or no?
I don't know. I don't know what you'll find.
Ah.
Complicated girl.
Okay, let's go eat now here. Love, let's go eat here. It's very hot. Guys, kumakain kami ni Pao dito. Oh.
You said you're hungry. I'm kinda hungry also.
Very hungry.
Don't see the car. check the view. Can you go now? It was before, yeah.
View na to meron sa Switzerland at free lang siya, pero dito nagbayad kami ng 45 euro. But it was nice. It's worth it, love, no? So there's the waterfall. May waterfall din, guys. Naririnig, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo, but ito yung naririnig namin. Ito yung waterfalls and then some car. Super ganda ng view.
And you see the waterfall here. You cannot even go there, that's far away.
Okay, hinto kami dito ni Pao. Natintang to waterfalls. Very nice.
And that's it, and the ground now.
Okay. Oh, getting the water.
What?
She's getting the water.
Interesting.
Siya.
So it means clean water?
Can be, no? Okay, alis na kami. Ito naman tayo sa ibang panik ulit
That's
tayo.
where we could eat.
Tulay.
It's very nice to eat.
Yeah. So, we're almost at the top. At, yeah.
So this is the top, right?
Guys. Oh my. Ano ba? Hirap na ako. I'm the one who from Philippines and I came from Spain. I mean, living from Spain for 4 years. Gonna be 4 years soon. And it's 16 degree right now. But the sun is very high. I'm melting. Or is it a sign because I'm 30 years old already? Am I the only one feeling like this? I feel I'm getting more tired easily. Anyway, we're gonna stay here. Alam nyo bang kulang na kami ng gasoline, ng fuel sa car? Kulang na kami ng gasoline sa car kasi hindi nagpagasolina si Pao. Kasi akala niya okay pa naman. I think okay pa naman. Sabi niya abot pa naman daw kasi pagbawa hindi naman gagamit ng gasolina masyado, so okay lang. Pero nangangamba siya ng konti kaya kinakabahan mo na. Anyway, eto ang ating view. Ay, si Pa. Busy siya sa gawain niya. Busy man ako. Ganda ng mountain, oh. Super pretty. Ito nga pala yung map.
You're going now up more. Look to 4 and it's still going up.
Oh yeah, their car was... just gonna tie you with the cable charger because I don't want you to fly somewhere. Hmm?
Olmaz.
Think so, love you. Small. Nandito na kami sa pinakatuktok ng lugar na to. At it's hot. Not it's hot, but ano ba, yung araw mainit. Ano kung sinabi kung di araw mainit na. Pero super beautiful. Super beautiful. So, labas tayo. Let's go, lab.
Aha.
Oh. Labas tayo. Ay. Sa dami kong katabi. Hindi na magkaundugaga. Ayan. Put my phone here. Because I don't have a pocket, that's why I'm putting the phone in you.
Aha.
So, andito na tayo sa pinakatuktay. Hihilo pa ako kasi. Kalalabas lang ng
Abas.
kotse.
Бажаю смачно.
At kakahilo. Nahihilo ako talaga sa kotse. Para ako matanda.
Смачно стові.
Matau.
Все
Matau.
вийду.
Kalnus. Kalnai gražus matau. Kalnus matau. Kalnai. Gaudį savo iššūkius.
Йо.
Labas! Labas! I'll close the window in the car. No?
Ir ką matot? Gražiai matot, ne?
Gražiai matom. Kalnuose.
Atvažiuos.
So, pagod ako kasi.
Nu, šiaip
Yung
čia
way
kalnas toks
kasi-
vingiuotas, vingis po vingį. Tai
Yung way kasi
apie
Yes. paikot-ikot na ganon. So, nakakahilo siya.
Tai šitą.
Ir
Tapos
kuras
yung
baiginės, jau
init
labai
ng-
nedaug kuro liko, tai nežinau. Bet
Araw, pero
nusileist
maganda
turbūt
yung weather.
nereikės kuro. iš vis
Nag-inarte lang ako.
naudoti. Stabdis.
Good.
3 km.
Yan ang ating likod, no?
Jo.
Very
Paskiau
beautiful.
video atsiųsiu.
Nu.
Tai va, vaikščiom po kalnus ir viskas. Tai šiandieną tokia diena. Jo, ten iš pradžio buvo, užsikėlėm. Užkėlė.
Super
Ten
pretty.
su rogutėm čiuožinėja kitė su nuomoju.
Bet reikia aprangą turėti, ar ne?
Ne, nu, su megztiniu aš buvau. Klaudija irgi su striukė buvo, kai mes vaikščiom. Nu, čia nepavojingai, man atrodo, čia nėra iš skurdžių, kad atvažiuotų, kad jau...
Taip.
Nes vis tiek
Ito yung view natin.
Kiam eurų tu
Mayroong
mokėti reikia ir
restaurant
mašiną
dito rin.
turėti.
Jo, kad pinigai dideli.
Ang daming sasakyan.
O,
Vietos žiūrėti labai
For sure.
labai gražu.
Mahal yung ano rito. Mahal yung mga pagkain nila.
eisim dar ten ant to bokštelio viršui.
Ang daming stickers dito. Oh.
Pasižiūrėti, ne?
Super dami ng stickers.
Kas čia tų...
Tingin yung flag ng Austria. Oh, mayroon man pala rito. Anyway,
Jo, yra. Yra flag teleskopas, reikia pasižiūrėti nemokamus. Kas
Anyway,
čia
maganda siya
teleskopas
so far.
nemokami. Gali.
O tai...
Ay, pusado
gerai
na.
matot.
Gerai.
Į dangų žiūrėti, ne?
Ne, kalnus.
Kalnas, tai kalnas.
tingnan niyo yung view ng ano, oh, ng dinaanan namin paakyat.
Na, gerai, Pauliukai, na.
Kaip tau sekasi?
Nieko, viskas normaliai.
Ito na ang last. Ito na ang last stop. Dito sa lugar na to. Akyat tayo dun sa taas. Dun. Tayo sa taas. So, kita nyo yung parking. Ito yung again. Ito yung sa kabilang side. At ikot tayo. Can you take picture of me, love?
360.
So guys, this is our last destination. Sa lugar na to, at wala ng battery ang aking mic. The mic 10%. So, bababa na kami. At sana okay lang ang fuel ng car. Kasi konti na lang. Anyway, andito ako ngayon dito nakaupo. Ng car sa likod. So makita mo dito mayroong nakalagay dito. The perfect picture place here. Sa mga bato uy.
This.
Look at it. 1, 2, 3. Tama. Nakita namin itong place na itong magandang pagpicturean doon no, sa bato na yun. Hmm?
Sit on this row.
Let's go lang.
You go. But be careful, okay? Very careful. What's this? Want to now?
Yes. Amen.
Do you have a cheese?
Hmm?
Good. Yeah.
We have to remove the oil, but it's good also, right, love? You want blanket?
No. The camera.
Ang lamig na ngayon ah. Ang lamig na ngayon. It's cold, love, no?
It's cold.
I think 15 degree something.
Maybe 10.
10. I will get